Observe this problem. If sin of x plus y by sin of x minus y is equal to a plus b by a minus b, then find tan x by tan y. Just you observe. When you are observing the problem, immediately you have to know it which method is a preferable method. With the help of componendo and dividendo concept, this problem we will do it easily. Componendo and dividendo. In which chapter you have learnt? Yes, ratios and proportion. What is meant by it? Just any two ratios are equal. If a by b is equal to c by d, then what happens? A plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. This is the result. A by b. A is the numerator, b is the denominator. So, sum of numerator plus denominator by difference of numerator and denominator. Okay. Numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. Numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. Okay, then we will get the formula. In fact, what is our concept? Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. That we have done. So that's why here sin of x plus y is there. To get a sin of x minus y, what we have to do it? Just you have to do it componendo and dividendo concept. So get ready, my dear kids. What is the numerator? Numerator plus denominator means sin of x plus y plus sin of x minus y. Numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. Numerator minus denominator is equal to, what is the numerator? A plus b. Numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. Now you observe, my dear students, it is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b formula. So what did you get? 2 sin a into cos b. Okay, what is the value of a? X. What is the value of b? Y. So like that here, what did you get? 2 cos x into sin y is equal to, observe this side, b get cancelled, 2a. Here minus a cancel, what will get 2b? 2 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. Now you observe, sin x by cos x is tan x into here cos y by sin y, cot y is equal to a by b. So tan x, cot y is nothing but a, cot y is nothing but a 1 by tan y. So that's why by tan y is equal to a by b. So what is tan x by tan y value? A by b. So we can do it like this. One more problem. Cos 48 degrees plus cos 78 degrees plus cos 162 degrees value. How can you solve? Okay, it is a very easiest problem. Definitely you can solve it. Just I am giving you hint, then you try to do it. Cos theta plus cos 120 degrees plus theta plus cos 120 degrees minus theta. This value, how much can you say? Its value is 0. We proved. If suppose that problem, definitely it is in the form of it, then definitely we will get 0. Now my question is, can you express given problem like this? See, 42 degrees, just you take it as a theta, 42 degrees. Now what is that? Cos 42 degrees plus cos 78 degrees. How can we express 78 degrees? Cos 120 degrees minus 42 degrees plus cos 120 degrees plus 42 degrees. Yes. Just you observe, is it given problem or not? Cos 42, okay. 120 degrees minus 42, how much? 78 degrees. 120 plus 42, how much? 162 degrees. So that's why. Now it is in the form of cos theta plus cos 120 minus theta plus cos 120 plus theta. What is the answer? Yes, answer is 0. Okay. See, write one more problem. In triangle ABC, A is an obtuse angle. Cos A is equal to 3 by 5 and in triangle ABC, now you observe the ninth problem. What is that? So observe the problem. In triangle ABC, A is obtuse angle. Okay, A is obtuse angle means just you can take it like this. Yes or no? This is A, B, C. It is an obtuse angle. Okay. And again, what is given? Sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Cos B is equal to 12 by 13. Then find sin C. Try to do it. Then find sin C. Now you observe, my dear kids, A is an obtuse angle, is nothing but a, definitely A belongs to second quadrant. That is the trick. Remaining everything you have known. Okay, sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Then what about cos A? Cos A value is 4 by 5. Cos B is equal to 12 by 13. Then what about sin B? Sin B is equal to 5 by 13 because Pythagoras triplets already we have given. Okay, 3, 4, 5 Pythagorean triplets, 12, 5, 13. Also one more triplet. Okay, now you have to find the sin C. Then you have known the form. Here you have one triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC you will get A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. C is equal to 180 degrees minus of A plus B. Apply sin on both sides. Sin C is equal to sin of 180 degrees minus A plus B. Then sin 180 minus theta, cos of A plus B. Okay, sin C is equal to, you will get cos of A plus B. If you find cos A plus B, then problem is over. What is the formula for cos A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. See, here A is the obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means that is in second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So here you will get the negative symbol. Enough. Problem is over. Now say me, cos A value minus 4 by 5. Cos B value 12 by 13. Sin A value 3 by 5. Sin B value 5 by 13. So 12 4s are minus 16 by 65. Here, what did you get? Minus 15 by 65. So your answer minus 31 by 65. It is the final answer. So that all applications we have discussed.